Good day, everyone. My name is June Kairayang, and I'm 32 years old. Uh, I live here in Quezon City, Philippines, and my job experience are in ICANN Academy, MIS or Multiple Intelligence International School, and in Kumon, Philippines. In ICANN Academy, I only worked there for 2 months. It's due to end of contract. Then in MIS or Multiple Intelligence International School, Uh, I also had my experience, 2 years of working experience there as a part-time Chinese tutor. I only lasted there for only 2 years due to end of contract. And lastly, in Kumon, Philippines, I only lasted there for 1 year and 4 months due to resignation because I'm looking for much better opportunities like this. I'm here in Polish speaker. It's because I want to show my skills in Chinese speaking skills and also in handwriting skills. I can speak English, Tagalog, and Chinese. Now let me introduce myself in Chinese. 大家好，我叫陈金慧，我今年是32岁，我的爱好是看电视、睡觉、跳舞和唱歌。谢谢你。